Hello and welcome to this week's Market Minute. I'm Darren Cohen with Wealth E&P. It's been a really interesting roller coaster of a ride to start the year. About a month ago, indices were down 10 to 20% depending on the S&P, Dow, or NASDAQ. But as we sit at the market close today, May 12th, S&P and Dow are about flat, NASDAQ down about 2 to 3%. So pretty massive comeback. But today I want to focus on recessionary periods and are we in one or heading toward one? Because there's a lot of talk where people think, really for the last couple of years, that we are on the brink of a recession. Well, the investment firm that does the best research on this is Franklin Templeton. This is their website, and it's the anatomy of a recession. They've been tracking back for decades what causes a recession to help us forecast whether we're in one or not. So you can see all the way at the bottom left, the current signal at the end of April is a green arrow pointing up, which is very positive. Now, what's really important is to put that in perspective. The last 9 recessions, most recent in 2020 when COVID hit, going back to 1969 and 70, you can see that every recession had an X for a recessionary period or yellow caution. You look at the last few months this year, we've been green all year. A couple of things have trended down somewhat slightly. Profit margins into the neutral zone. Not surprisingly, marketing or manufacturing orders are in the X. And then last but not least, the yield curve continues to be inverted. But right now, we have a expansionary green arrow pointing up. Like I said, this is really the best sourced Franklin Templeton. So we're going to trust that. We're going to watch it month to month, though, because that could change at any moment. But right now, things are looking up both in the stock market and the economy. If you have any questions, let us know. Check out the website, wealthep.com. We'll see you next week.